Hey, it's Miss K, and today's video is going to be over the 3 M's in math, as I like to call it. It is the mean, median, and the mode. Now, the first thing you're going to need, that you always need when you are finding the mean, median, and mode, is a data set. Okay, this is the data set we will be using to find the mean, median, and mode on today. Now, when you are looking for the mean, the first thing you're going to do is find the sum of all the numbers in the data set. And if you do not know how do you find the sum, you definitely are going to add all of the numbers in the data set. After you add them, you are then going to divide by the amount of numbers that are in the data set. So here I have the numbers 33, 14, 2, 7, 90, 2, 19, 87, 3, and 15. With these numbers, the first thing I'm going to do when I'm finding my mean, I am going to add them. Once I add them, I am then going to divide by the number 10, simply because I have 10 numbers in my data set. Now, the next thing we are going to go over is the median. Now, I always want to think of one word when I think of the median, and that one word is the middle. So we're going to find the middle number. Now, how you find the middle number, you are going to put your data set in order from least to greatest. Okay, so least would, of course, be your lowest number, and you're going to put it all the way in order to your highest number. After you do that, you simply find the middle number by canceling off the numbers on your edges. Okay, now, if you come to 2 numbers in the middle, you're going to then find the average of those 2 numbers, which means you have 2 numbers in the middle, you have to add them, and then you're going to divide by 2. Okay, but if you have an odd number in the data set, you then just simply go to the middle number once you order them least to greatest. Now, the next thing and the final thing we will be going over is the mode. Now, with the mode, the one word I like to think of is most. It is the number you see the most in the data set. So when we are looking back at our data set, the number we see most is definitely the number 2. There is no thought there. You are literally looking for the number you see the most. Now, the last thing I want to touch on, even though it's not dealing with the 3 M's, it's just a little extra word I want to throw in, and that is the range. The range is the greatest number minus the lowest number. So you look at the greatest number here, and that is not hard. We see the greatest number here is definitely 90, and our lowest number is going to be 2. And then you find the difference. The way you find the difference, you subtract. 90 minus 2 is definitely 88. Therefore, our range here would be 88. Now, in just a moment, I will have all of the answers to this data set. I will have it appeared on the screen. So therefore, you can go back, work through it, and see if you come to these numbers. Now, after all of that, that pretty much wraps up my video. Now, here you were just given the definition of a mean, median, mode, and a range. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, bye.